Alrighty, as we are reviewing for our second quiz of Chapter 5, Sections 5.3, 5.4, and the first part of 5.5, we've got a nice review worksheet going for us. So in our Section 5.3, we added, subtracted, and multiplied polynomials. And so remember that when we add, all we have to do is combine our like terms. So 9x cubed would combine with the negative 5x cubed. 9 plus a negative 5 is 4, x to the third. 2x squared plus 7x squared, 9x squared, negative 7x plus 2x minus 5x, and lastly, plus 3 plus 9 would give us plus 12 at the end. It's as easy as that. In problem 2, it's a very similar process. All we have to do is distribute the minus signs because we're subtracting that entire second polynomial. So I would either take the time to rewrite that second polynomial, or you can even just go through and change all of the signs. So we are adding a negative 8x to the fourth plus 3x cubed plus 8x plus a negative 9. And now we can combine our like terms just like we did up above. 4x to the fourth plus negative 8x to the fourth gives us negative 4x to the fourth. We've got negative 3x cubed plus 3x cubed. Those cancel entirely. Then we've got plus 2x plus 8x, we've got 10x, and plus 1 plus a negative 9 minus 8. Final answer. And number 3, multiply our polynomials. Now we get to use our double distribution, or in this case, triple distribution. So we're going to take each term in our first polynomial, multiply by every term in our second polynomial. So x times 4x cubed gives me 4x to the fourth. And then x times 5x, 5x squared, x times 7 plus 7x. Then we'll take positive 3 and multiply by every term in our second polynomial. So 3 times 4x cubed, 12x cubed, 3 times 5x, 15x, 3 times 7, 21. And then we combine our like terms. So we've got 4x to the fourth, that accounts for that, 12x cubed, and then 5x squared, nothing to combine so far. Then we've got plus 7x plus 15x, so plus 22x, plus that 21, final answer. Lastly, number 4, we want to take 5x minus 2y and cube that polynomial. So really what we're doing is taking it times itself 3 times. We really have to keep in mind our exponent properties and make sure that we are adding exponents whenever we need to be doing so. So let's first start with our first 2 polynomials, and we'll come back to that last 5x minus 2y, and we just FOIL like normal. So 5x times 5x, 25x squared. My outside's 5x times negative 2y minus 10xy. My insides give me the same thing, minus 10xy. And then negative 2y times a negative 2y is a positive 4y squared. Before we take the time to take that multiplied by our last 5x minus 2y, let's combine those outside and inside terms. So 25x squared minus 20xy plus 4y squared, we'll take that and multiply by 5x minus 2y. So we will have 25x squared times 5x, 125x to the third, 25x squared times negative 2y minus 50x squared y, minus 20xy times positive 5x minus 100x squared y, and then negative 20xy times negative 2y will be a positive 40xy squared. And then lastly, 4y squared times 5x, 20xy squared, and then 4y squared negative 2y minus 8y cubed. Combine all like terms. We've got 125x cubed, and then minus 50x squared y minus 100x squared y minus 150x squared y, plus 40xy squared plus 20xy squared plus 60xy squared, and minus 8y cubed. There's our final answer.